Hello everyone and welcome back to our MCQ class. So আজি আমি কৰো ভাৰত আৰু পাকিস্তান. So India and Pakistan. To consider the following. Number one, the Indus Water Treaty is often cited as one of the most successful water sharing agreement in the world, yet it has faced repeated invocation of dispute mechanism since 2015. 2015 আগত নাছিল নেকি? Okay, then India's invocation of neutral expert mechanism on Rattle and Kishanganga project in 25-26 reflect a shift from bilateralism to multilateralism arbitration. Then cross-border terrorism remain India's core issue precondition, making any review of Indus Water Treaty politically unattainable. Kundo, which is true? One, three. चलो ठीक है देखते हैं. The Indus Water Treaty is often cited as one of the most successful. Yes, it is one of the most successful, no doubt. Most successful water sharing agreement in the world, yet it has faced repeated invocation of dispute mechanism since 2015. Yes, correct. Western rivers junkikhon ase amar. So Indus Water Treaty jodi ami sao. So sokhon river ase. Tare tinikhon Indus, Chenab, Jhelum. এই তিনিখনৰ এক্সক্লুসিভ ৰাইটস দিয়া আছে পাকিস্তানক আৰু Ravi, Bias, Satluj exclusive rights to India, right? So this is Indus Water Treaty. Now Western rivers ki khonot Rattle, Kishanganga ebur project banai ase junto shift from bilateralism to multilateral arbitration, invocation of neutral experts, reflect a shift from bilateralism to multilateralism. Yes, this is correct. This is correct because neutral expert dia mane World Bank ok tani anile, right? Because bilateral bostu asile India aru Pakistan majot, but third party kun hoy World Bank. So ei dutar pura tinta le gusi gol. So multilateralism. Then cross border terrorism remains India's core issue precondition. Okay, making any review of Indus Water Treaty politically untenable. No. এখিনি লেগে ঠিকে আছে. It is a core issue, no doubt, but ऐसा नहीं है कि इंडस वाटर ट्रिटी ऑल टुगेदर रिजेक्ट কৰি দিছে যে जब तक कोर इश्यू टू सॉल्व নহব তেতিয়ালৈকে আমি এই যোনটো সলিউশন এটো নুলিয়াও. তো কারেন্টলি সাসপেনশন বা এবেন্সত আছে. ঠিক আছে, গোটে ট্রিটিখনে এনেকুৱা নহয় কি পলিটিক্যালি আনএটেনেবল ডিউ টু দিস ইস্যু. एटूर कारणे एबेंसर আছে, बट ऐसा गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया ने नहीं कहा है कि भाई एटू बस्तु एटू गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया एतियालेके कोआ নাই. सो नंबर 3 इज रॉन्ग. 1 and 2 is the correct answer. Okay, then assertion reasoning. India has refused to hold composite dialogue with Pakistan since the Uri attack of 2016. क्यों बोलो? So India has refused to hold composite dialogue. Okay, fine, composite dialogue with Pakistan since Uri attack. All right, next, India's policy of talk and terrorism cannot go together. हाँ ये सही है. Is a direct response to Pakistan's use of terrorism as an instrument of state. हाँ, this is true. Then India has refused to hold composite dialogue with Pakistan since Uri attack of 2020. Yes, correct. So ইয়াৰ আগত কি আছিলে? Pathankot. So Pathankot attack হৈছিলে, তাৰ পিছত Uri attack হ'ল. Uri attackৰ পিছত যোনটো composite dialogue hold কৰি আছিলে এটো completely stop কৰি পেলালে. এটো কিহৰ কাৰণে আছিলে? Terrorismৰ ওপৰত আছিলে. Altogether stop কৰি পেলালে. আৰু কি reason দিলে? Talks and terror cannot go together. So both are correct আৰু দুইটাই correct explanation হয়. So A is the correct explanation. Which of the following best describes the current status of Indus Waters Treaty? Functioning smoothly with no dispute, under severe stress due to parallel proceedings before neutral expert and court of arbitration. C, suspended by mutual consent. D, complete abrogated by India. Kamal Bora, good evening. So Indus Water Treaty status to khudise. Smooth functioning with no dispute. ऐसा तो नहीं है. Smooth functioning हुआ नहीं. Because 2025 Pahalgam attack or pisod Indus Water Treaty abeyance ot gusi gol. Then suspended by mutual consent. No. India suspend korise. Pakistan nai kora. Pakistan suspend nai kora. So this is again wrong. Completely abrogated by India. No. Abrogated completely India. Etialeke abrogate nai kora completely. Abeyance ot ase. So B is the correct answer. With reference to hybrid warfare by Pakistan, consider the following. It combines terrorism, cyber attack, disinformation campaign and economic sabotage. India has countered it through surgical strike, Balakot, diplomatic isolation. The ultimate aim is to bleed India through 1,000 cuts while triggering full-scale conventional war. 1 and 2, 2 and 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 3. Four, all. Yes, hybrid warfare by Pakistan mean terrorism as a cyberbatic disinformation campaign to bharbar ke ase. Then economic sabotage. Yes, correct. It countered through surgical strike, Balakot. Yes, correct. The ultimate aim is to bleed India through 1,000 cuts. Yes, correct. So C, 1, 2, 3. The abrogation of Article 370 in 2019 led Pakistan to downgrade diplomatic ties with India, approach to UN Security Council, intensify cross-border infiltration. (370) abrogate কৰাৰ পিছত পাকিস্তানে কি কৰিছিলে? So 370 abrogate কৰোঁতে তেতিয়া Prime Minister আছিলে Imran Khan. Okay. Imran Khan. So Imran Khan prothom step to loisile diplomatic ties juntu asile etu downgrade kori disile. Yes, this is true. Okay, diplomatic ties downgrade korisile taisot juntu India's status asile most favored nation or etu India falor pora withdraw korisil. Then approach to UN Security Council, yes, this is also true. Intensify cross-border infiltration, yes, correct. So D 1, 2, 3, correct. Which of the following is not a mechanism under Indus Waters Treaty? Permanent Indus Commission, Neutral Expert Court of Arbitration, International Court of Justice as final appellate body. The Indus Water Treaty under কি নাই কোনটো বস্তু নাই পার্মানেন্ট ইন্ডাস কমিশন ইয়েস আছে যত দুইটা পার্টি থাকে ইন্ডিয়াৰো এজন ৰিপ্ৰেজেন্টেটিভ থাকে আৰু পাকিস্তানৰো এজন ৰিপ্ৰেজেন্টেটিভ থাকে দেন নিউট্ৰেল এক্সপার্ট থাকিব ইয়েস কোর্ট অফ আর্বিট্রেশন আছে বাট ইন্টারন্যাশনাল কোর্ট অফ জাস্টিস এজ এ ফাইনাল অ্যাপিলেট বডি এটো নাই সো ডি ইজ দ্য কারেক্ট আনসার ইয়াতে নট খুদিছে India's zero tolerance policy on terrorism primarily implies complete diplomatic and economic isolation of Pakistan, no dialogue until verifiable action against terror infrastructure, unilateral military action, acceptance of Pakistan domestic compulsion. So zero tolerance policy mane hoi gol complete diplomatic and economic isolation. No. Unilateral military action only. Absolutely not. Etu hua hole bahut bhalei asile. India Israel ban jata fir. India is not Israel right now. So etu nohoy. Then acceptance of Pakistan's domestic compulsion. No. এটো আৰু বুজা মানে তো মূৰ্খামি হৈ যাব এটো কোনে কেনেকে বুজিবা কাৰোবাৰ কিবা ডমেষ্টিক প্ৰবলেম আছে হেতু আমি আমাৰ কি মতলব আছে ৰাইট তোমাৰ নেইবাৰৰ ঘৰ ডমেষ্টিক প্ৰবলেম আছে তো তুমি বুজি কিবা লাভ আছে নেকি তো এটো তো হবই নোৱাৰে সো নো ডায়ালগ আনটিল ভেৰিফাইবল একশন টেকেন হিয়ার দিস ইজ কারেক্ট সো এতিয়া তিনটা পলিসি চলে জিরো টলারেন্স মানে কি নাম্বার 1 হৈ গল ডিপ্লোমেটিক আইসোলেশন এটো কৰিব লাগিব then number 2 military action wherever needed or number 3 ki rejection of talks ye tinta consider the following pairs Uri Pulwama Pathankot 2016, 19, 16. Kundo. Led to surgical strike, led to Balakot strike, first major attack after NDA government. তো এটো হৈছিলে সেপ্টেম্বৰ right then Pulwama to of course 14th February right তেটো ফেব্ৰুৱাৰীত হৈছিলে আৰু পাঠানকোট হৈছিলে সেপ্টেম্বৰ ফেব্ৰুৱাৰী আৰু পাঠানকোট if I am not wrong এটো winter টাইমত আছিলে if I am not mistaken it is during winter time first NDA government আহাৰ পিছত প্ৰথমবাৰ হৈছিলে January 16 then Pathankotৰ পিছতে উৰি এটেক হৈছে তাৰ পিছত পুলৱামা so this is correct operation sindoor to add কৰিব পাৰে গৈছিলে তাতে থাকি গল anyways চলো Pakistan repeated objection to Indian hydroelectric project on western rivers are primarily aimed at environmental protection using water as a strategic weapon against India ensuring transparency in treaty implementation promoting regional cooperation Pakistan কি accuse করে object কৰি আছে Pakistan repeated objection Okay, let's see. Pakistan's repeated objection to India's hydroelectric project, mane hegita, Kishan Ganga and all, western rivers, primarily aimed at environmental protection. Eto to hoboi nware. Promoting regional cooperation. Eto howa hole to bahut bhal asile. Then using water as a strategic weapon against India, ensuring transparency in treaty implementation. Transparency word to aru Pakistan. এই দুইটা বেলেগ বস্তু হৈ যায় সো এটো হবই নোৱাৰে তো B is the correct answer Pakistan always used to say कि using water as a strategic weapon against India পানী को strategic weapon बनाना है পাকিস্তানৰ মুখত হেখিনিয়ে পাবা okay you can't expect transparency and all assertion the Indus Waters Treaty has survived 3 wars 65 71 99 both countries recognize the treaty as a vital confidence building measure despite deep mistrust. So what is this? So prothom bostu hoy gol Indus Waters Treaty survived 3 wars. Yes, of course, 3ta war survive hoy goise. Recently abeyance nise. Gotike yes, this is true. Then both countries recognize treaty as vital confidence building measures. Yes, correct. Despite deep mistrust to Pakistanor logot bahut beshi ase. Confidence building measure to hoy. Why? Reason being duikhon country ke water lage no. Water at a need hoy for both. So yes, A. The most critical contemporary challenge to Indus Waters Treaty is climate change and glacial melting, politicization of technical disputes, and parallel arbitration forums. Then Pakistan refusal to attend permanent Indus Commission meeting, India's construction of storage dams. Most critical temporary challenge climate change and glacier etu iman dangor challenge no hoy politicization of technical disputes and parallel arbitration forums Pakistan refusal to attend permanent commission na Pakistan refuse nokore dori ahe then India's construction of storage dams etu most critical contemporary challenge no hoy because 20% of the water India dia ase tinikhon western rivers or 20% of the water India usor ase right so this is not the very big challenge so this is very important politicization of technical disputes and parallel arbitration forums so Pakistan etu bostu bahut kore alright june kotha nukhune tahator against ot gobele beleg eta involve kora ane je Please, India ko bolo. So this is the biggest challenge. India's invocation of dispute settlement mechanism in 25-26 were mainly related to Chenab, Kishanganga and Rattle, Jhelum, all Western River project. Kundo. It is just answer for us. Okay, so India's invocation of dispute settlement mechanism mainly related to Kishanganga and Rattle project. So to Chenab aru Jhelum, a river kikhonot ase. Operation Sindoor is associated with what? Operation Sindoor, naval exercise nohoy, cyber drill nohoy, rescue mission in Bangladesh nohoy, it is related to Pakistan. So it is a counter-terror operation against Pakistan-based terror groups. Pakistan's placement on FATF grey list is primarily due to economic mismanagement, terror financing and money laundering concern, human rights violation, nuclear proliferation. B. Terror financing and money laundering concerns. Yes. So FATF, Financial Action Task Force. India member hoy here. Pakistan member nohoy by the way. India is a member. Aru ehator kaam ki? Money laundering, terror financing to stop korabo lage. Which of the following is the correct chronological order of major terror attacks? Correct chronological order. Pathankot, Uri, Pulwama, Uri, Pathankot, Pulwama, Pulwama, Uri, Pathankot, Uri, Pulwama, Pathankot. অলপ আগতে মই লিখি দিছিলো এটো অলপ মান আগতে 3-4 মান কোৱেশ্চন আগত January 2016 September 2016 আৰু পুলৱামাটো অফ কোৰ্স এটো আমি সবে জানো সবৰে মনত আছে more or less 14 February কাৰণে 14 Feb হৈছিল এটো 2019 ঠিক আছে so A is the correct answer of course January 16 September then February then Operation Sindoor Saida jodi dia Saida India's current strategy towards Pakistan is best described as pure engagement, deterrence plus diplomatic isolation, selective multilateral pressure, unilateral concession, complete military confrontation. So India multi এটা engagement strategy use কৰি আছে, like Operation Sinduro কৰে, like that is military, then FATF to put কৰিব try কৰে. Okay, so pure engagement to not possible. Unilateral concession etu ক'ত দি আছে, নাই দিয়া. Complete military confrontation নাই দিয়া, because India is not Israel already কৈছো. So এই তিনটা wrong, এইটোৱে correct হয়. Deterrence like Operation Sindur, diplomatic isolation, okay, আৰু selective multilateral pressure. Diplomatic isolation কেনেকৈ ইণ্ডিয়াই কয় যে আমাৰ লগত যদি মাল বেচ তেতিয়াহ'লে বেলেগত নিবিচিবি, মানে পাকিস্তানত নিবিচিবি. The Balakot airstrike was significant because it was India's first airstrike on mainland Pakistan since 1971. Targeted at a Jaish-e Mohammed camp, both A and B conducted with international support. Yes. So this is India's first airstrike after 1971. Quote, mainland Pakistan. ঠিক আছে, আৰু এইটো কাক টাৰ্গেট কৰিছিলে, জেছে মোহাম্মদ কেম্পক টাৰ্গেট কৰা আছিল, আৰু ইন্টাৰনেশ্যনেল সাপোৰ্ট আমি লোৱা নাই, আমি নলওঁ এইবিলাক. Which river is a major point of contention between India and Pakistan under Indus Waters Treaty? Ravi, Jhelum, Bias, Satluj. কোনখন ৰিভাৰ আটাইতকৈ বেছি মানে এটা পইণ্ট অফ কণ্টেনশ্যন? Ravi, Bias and Satluj to নহয়, ঝেলামে হ'ল. So Indus, Chenab, ঝেলাম এই তিনিখন হৈ গ'ল for western rivers বুলি কয়, and this is for Pakistan. আৰু Ravi, Bias and Satluj, these are eastern rivers for India. Okay, আৰু প্ৰবলেমটো হৈ গ'ল ঝেলামত. Why? Kishan Ganga project. Kishan Ganga project, এই প্ৰজেক্টটো সাকসেসফুল হলে জম্মু এণ্ড কাশ্মীৰত এগ্ৰিকালচাৰ বা এইবিলাকৰ কাৰণে পানীটো তাৰ পৰা উলিয়াব পৰা যাব ঝেলামৰ পৰা. Cross-border terrorism from Pakistan is now widely recognized as only a bilateral issue, a global security threat affecting regional stability, an internal matter of Pakistan, a legitimate freedom struggle. Yes, it's a global security threat affecting regional instability. Only a bilateral issue to নহয়, of course নহয়. আগতে United States of America plus European countries এ কৈছিলে এইটো cross border terrorism এইটো এটা bilateral issue হয় between India and Pakistan, but now এইটো wrong হয়. Internal matter of Pakistan, no, absolutely not. India attack কৰাৰ পিছত আৰু internal matter হ'ব পাৰে নেকি? Legitimate freedom struggle, কাহেগা freedom struggle? 1947 ত already এখন country বনি গৈছে, তাৰ পিছত আৰু কিহৰ freedom struggle ৰ কথা আহিল? So B is the correct answer. The overall approach of India towards Pakistan since 2019 can be summarized as talks and terror cannot go together, combined with multi-domain pressure, business as well, complete isolation, unconditional dialogue. Unconditional dialogue. So unconditional dialogue to possible নহয়, because now Modi era. So unconditional dialogue nasile. Manmohan era unconditional dialogue बहुत बार होइसे after maybe it can be after 2611 ए कोआ बा जे कोआ so now to unconditional dialogue को কথাই নাহে मोदीले যাবই না লাগে Dr. S Jaishankar is enough for this complete isolation no business as usual no as I said MF most favored nation to status eto withdraw kori lole India after this one Pulwama so etu no hoy to correct answer is terror and talks cannot go together combined multi domain pressure multi domain matlab ke like FATF and all operation syndrome FATF all such things আচ্ছা বস্তুবোৰ ঠিকে আছে নে তোমালোকৰ ৰিভিউ কমেন্টত তো নজনোৱা সেইকাৰণে ইয়াতে খুদিছো কাৰেণ্টক লৈ পেলে কোৱেশ্চনছ কিনি ফ্ৰেম কৰা হৈছে APSC prelims to mindত ৰাখি পেলাই গতিকে ইয়াতে তোমালোকে লাইক মানে হেতু লেভেলৰে কোৱেশ্চনছ কিনি পাবা নেকানে অন পলিচিজ বিলাকৰ ওপৰতো কোৱেশ্চনছ কিনি ফ্ৰেম কৰা আছে যোনবিলাক কাৰেন্ট গভৰ্ণমেন্টৰ পলিচি হয় সেই পলিচি বিলাকৰ ওপৰত কোৱেশ্চনছ আছে অল ৰাইট helpful হোৱাটোৱে লাগে okay and these are not only in prelims বুলি নহয় prelims অটো helpful হ'বই mains অটো helpful হ'ব আৰু interview তো helpful পাবা suppose ইন্ডিয়া আৰু পাকিস্তানৰ পলিচিটো কিবা ইন্টাৰভিউত খুদি দিছে then তোমালোকে যদি এইটো লাইন নকোৱা তেতিয়া হলে that's a waste okay then thank you so much thank you so much তেতিয়া হলে যদি ঠিকে আছে তেতিয়া হলে thank you all right now then this is the last question so thank you very much please do like the session like আৰু share কৰিব নাপাহৰিবা ভাল লাগিছে যদি please like the session যাতে মই আৰু আনিব পাৰো ঠিক আছে নহলে বন্ধ কৰিব লাগিব okay then thank you